It's New Year's Eve. I'm sitting on the sofa in the living room. The room is warm. The lights are low. My family is around me, not talking much, just waiting. Outside, the city feels alive. Inside, everything feels quiet. This moment, right before midnight, always makes me think.
The past year was not easy. I was busy. I was tired. I was often distracted. I wanted to improve my English, but I stopped many times. I wanted to exercise, but I said, tomorrow. I wanted to eat better, but I chose comfort instead. And sometimes I forgot to care about people around me, not because I'm bad, but because life gets heavy. This year, I don't want big promises. I don't want pressure. I want gentle change, real change. So I made my New Year's resolutions simple and meaningful.
My first resolution is English. I don't want English to be just a subject. I want it to be part of my life. Listening while walking, speaking even with mistakes, thinking in English slowly. Not 1 hour a day, just a few minutes every day, because consistency is stronger than motivation.
My second resolution is exercise. Not for a perfect body, not for others, for my energy, for my mental health, for myself. Walking, stretching, breathing, moving my body with respect, not punishment. My third resolution is health and food. I don't want strict rules. I want balance. More water, more real food, less guilt. Eating to feel good, not to feel bad.
My fourth resolution is caring for others, listening without interrupting, helping without waiting for thanks, being kind even when I'm tired. I want to be softer, more patient, more understanding, because improving myself means improving how I treat people. I look around the room. My mother's calm face, my father watching the clock. They don't know my resolution. When I think about the new year, I don't only think about habits and routines. I also think about life, about moments, about feelings, about stories I haven't lived yet. This year, I want to travel more. Not to escape my life, but to understand it better. To walk in new streets, to hear new languages, to see the world with curious eyes. Even a small trip can change how you feel. Even one new place can open your mind. Travel teaches you patience and courage. I don't want to live the same year again. I want new experiences, new hobbies, new conversations, trying things without knowing the result, saying yes more often, and saying no when I need to. Growth starts outside the comfort zone. This year, I want to understand myself better, why I feel certain things, why I react the way I do. I want to be calmer in difficult moments, kinder to myself when I fail, because emotional growth is just as important as success. The countdown starts on the TV. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! The room fills with noise and joy, fireworks, cheers. If you're watching this right now, you're not late. You're exactly where you need to be. What is your New Year's resolution? And how will you care for yourself and others? Write it in the comments. Let's make this year meaningful. Before this video ends, I want to ask you something important. How is your English journey going? Do you practice every day? Or do you stop and start again, like I used to? Write in the comments. Would love to read your answers. And if this video made you feel calm, motivated, or understood, please don't forget to support the channel. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next Calm English stories. Thank you for being here. Take care of yourself and take care of others. Happy New Year!